Uncle Jed, I done lost the dust bag to my belt sander. Do you think I ought to throw it away and buy a new one? Well, Jethro, with the way the economy is going today, and then with the high rate of inflation, it might not be a good idea to buy a new one. Why don't you go grab one of Granny's socks and see if we can come up with a solution ourselves? Okay, Uncle Jed, I'll go ask Granny. Okay, what I am armed with today is a rubber band, well, a couple rubber bands, some scissors, and my belt sander, which is missing the bag. So, not gonna buy a new one because I don't think Uncle Jed would approve of that. He doesn't have enough money in the bank. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come up with a quick solution here. Okay, we got our sock right here. Let's cut it right about there. Okay. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the sock over the opening. And then I'm going to take my smaller rubber band. I got the pink rubber band in case this breaks. Next, we're going to take the rubber band and we're going to put it around the sock to hold it into place. Oh, poop. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, let's see if this works. Problem solved. Well, way to go, Jethro. I'm very proud of you. But I didn't tell you that you could use one of Ellie Mae's socks. I told you to use one of Granny's socks. But we'll have to make do with how we fix her and get her done. Alright, thanks. Thank you everyone for watching. Leave a comment and I will reply back to you. You all have a good day.